Hi guys, welcome back to ToonBlend 3D. Today, we're going to create a simple idle animation. Alright, let's do it. First, switch to the Animation tab. Enable Auto Keying, then create your first idle or standby pose. Open the Rigify tab to adjust the IK stretch. Once you're happy with the first pose, select all bones and press I to insert a keyframe. Make sure this keyframe is on frame 1 as the starting point. Then, duplicate that keyframe to the last frame. Here, I'm using 32 frames. Now create the second pose and place it in the middle frame. Start with the torso and arms first. After each movement, play the animation just to see how it flows. Then, lower the shoulders slightly. This helps make the character look like she's breathing. Add a little motion to the wrists to make it feel more natural. Now, lift the torso bone up just a little to make the movement feel more natural. And finally, adjust the ribbon and hair tie bones so they look like they are bouncing as the character moves up and down. Next, adjust the facial expressions for both pose 1 and pose 2. Play the animation after setting up the expression bones. You will notice that the expressions change linearly as the bones move. To fix this, select both expression bones, then select all their keyframes. Press T and choose Constant Interpolation. Now, when you play the animation again, the facial expressions will switch instantly instead of blending linearly. Next, select all other bones except the expression bones. Select all their keyframes and set the interpolation to linear. Play the animation once more to see the final result. Now let's create the pose assets. Move to the frame where you want to save the pose, give it a name, and add it to a catalog. Go to Asset Browser, open the Library tab, then select Current File. You will see your pose assets appear, but without preview images yet. There are two ways to add those previews. The first method is by using a camera. Add a camera, position it properly, and set it to orthographic mode. Disable overlays, then click Generate Preview. For some reason, the character may appear without color. So switch to workbench mode and set object color to texture. Then generate the preview again, and now the preview is fully colored. Switch back to Eevee, create a new pose, and you'll see the preview image now displays the proper color automatically. The second way is to use Capture Screenshot Preview. Just select the area, take a screenshot of your pose, and repeat it for both pose assets. And that's it. Our idle animation and pose assets are now complete. This marks the final video in the Stylized low-poly Chibi girl character tutorial series. Thanks for watching from the beginning. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, or share. See you in the next tutorial.